Hey, I'm Nick Doherty from For Sale Real Estate, and today I have another exciting video for you. If you are interested in paying your mortgage off quicker, you're going to want to listen up. I'm going to be going over some strategies or tactics you can implement into your life right now that will allow you to pay off your mortgage quickly and years faster and save you thousands of dollars. Let's get into that video right now. So the first tip I would like to offer is, instead of paying your mortgage monthly, I suggest you pay it weekly. This will allow you to pay it off years sooner. Those extra payments that you're making, instead of making one payment a month, you're making 52 payments. You're actually getting extra payments in there and you won't even notice the difference. So the first thing I would do is go into your bank and ask them if you can go on weekly payments. They'll come out just like they regularly do, but weekly, smaller amounts, but you're actually getting more payments in there. So that is the first strategy, first tip. I suggest that you go into your bank and ask for weekly payments. The second tip here would be to stop going to Tim Hortons or whatever those impulse buys are. I mentioned it last week on how to save money, on some of the hacks and habits that I said to implement last week. If you haven't seen that video, go back. So if you stop impulse buying, say you saved $25 extra a month, you stopped going to Tim Hortons and you actually started saving that money and you had that automatically taken out of your bank account and put onto your mortgage payments, which you can do that. You can go into your bank today and ask them to do an extra payment every week, $25, it could be $50, whatever you wish. But if you stopped actually going to Tim Hortons, I can guarantee you probably would save $25 a week. You can put that on your mortgage. That will save you 2 to 3 years on your mortgage and thousands of dollars in the long term. So that is strategy or tip number 2. Number 3, at the end of the year, you file your taxes and you get a return from the government, the CRA. I suggest you make one lump balloon payment, whatever it may be. I believe back in a couple of years ago, the average payment was around $1,682 that the government was returning to Canadians for a tax return. Don't even think about having this tax return as extra money. Just take that, put it on your mortgage. It takes one phone call to your banker or your mortgage broker or whoever it may be and say, hey, I'd like to make one balloon payment this year, which you're allowed to do up to a certain amount, and you put that on your mortgage. That is the third tactic. Take that money and put it as one balloon payment. So between these 3 things, I've actually created a PDF called House Hacking, How to Pay Off Your Mortgage Quicker. And I've attached a link down below. You can click the link down below to get this PDF. If you implement these 3 strategies alone, I can guarantee you will save 6 years on your mortgage and roughly, approximately, I've done the math, around $45,000 in interest that you can put actually back in your pocket instead of paying the bank that money. So I've attached a link down below. Click the link down below. Read through that PDF. That will save you thousands of dollars in years of paying off your mortgage. And on top of this, you can actually do larger lump sum payments. You can actually do larger payments during the week if you want to do $50 a week or $60 a week. And this will actually pay it off even sooner. You can pay it off quicker. So if you're at a 25-year AM, just on the 3 strategies that I said alone, at the amounts that I had said, 6 years, $45,000, you pay your house off in 19 years instead of 25 years. So click the link below, get the PDF, and I wish you all the best in paying off your home sooner. I'm Nick Doherty from For Sale Real Estate. Until next week, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you next week.